We are so closely connected to the world. Time, space, especially value connection. The connection is a light transmission, a new debut, a win-win cooperation, particularly a harmonious coexistence of human being and the nature. Connecting to the world, delivering the light. This is Jinshui Cable Group. Henan Jinshui Cable Group was founded in 1983. With the trends of reform and opening up, it has never lost its mission and kept going ahead. In the past 30 years, it has experienced a tremendous change. The power of creativity are united here and burst out. It grows rapidly in competition and achieves leapfrog in innovation, which opens up a legendary career. With grand view, profound bearings and fighting spirit, sagacious leadership team of Jinshui Cable Group integrates sector resources and sets up modern scientific management systems for years. Rising abruptly based on its accumulated strength, Henan Jinshui Cable Group Company Limited creates a business miracle in the history of Henan industrial development with its growth at astonishing rate. Our total assets, operating scale, and economic benefit keep rising and burst out strong vitality and innovation. Scientific creativity is a kind of power to change the world. With acute insight of advanced technology and possesses of advanced experimental equipment, our leadership team enhances companies' independent innovation, R&D capacity, and core competition to promote industrial upgrading comprehensively. Our R&D team is composed of senior technical staff, which guarantees our products leading the pack all the time. As a major cable manufacturing base in China, Henan Jinshui Cable Group possesses first-class production equipment and consistent quality control system. We hold an almost harsh attitude towards each product's R&D, as well as its manufacturing process, and make the idea feeling for others quality assured deeply engraved in the work of our staff. We seek to offer boutique to our customers to make Jinshui brand well known and pay homage to international standards by top high tech. Dedicated to the country's development with its excellent product quality, Jinshui Cable has become the choice of many national key projects. From marine to overhead applications, Jinshui Cable quality is highly recognized in China's grand construction projects. Its excellent operation has won supreme honor for the group, and its unparalleled position and brand are witnessed by the group's numerous qualifications and honors. With production and operation passing a series management certification, the group has become a new and high-technology enterprise. Jinshui Cable products are also certified by many top-class institutes due to its high quality. Jinshui Cable has obtained import and export license of the People's Republic of China and become the supplier of China Railway, national urban and rural power grid upgrading, government procurement, and military material procurement projects. It is to make scientific research achievements within reach. We show the power of created in China with leading technology and environmental protection concepts to develop new type and high-end cables and wires and electrical products. Our products cover all kinds of low and medium voltage cable products and electrical products from 300 volts to 220 kilovolts. There are more than 500 kinds of high-quality products, including housing wires, power engineering cables, aluminum alloy cables, fireproof cables, and irradiated cables also. Widely used in real estate, transportation, energy, power transmission, and other fields. From made in China to wisdom created in China. From mainland to global, Jinshui's network, spread all over the world, wins the trust of global customers for excellent quality. Excellent enterprises must have excellent culture. After years of development and accumulation, Jinshui Cable has formed a profound cultural background. Here, everywhere is permeated with full humanistic atmosphere. Here, everywhere exudes deep humanistic care. This culture is flowing in company's body. The company's spirit, work standards, life value, and work style are blended into every employee's blood. It forms a strong cohesion and centripetal force with a strong self-confidence and infinite strength. The growth of an enterprise is inseparable from the dedication of its employees, the support of its customers, and the concern of the society. Jinshui Cable Group, during the realization of enterprise development, always committed to give a very good return to employees, customers, partners, and society, etc. With the true feelings to use the industry serving the country and returning to the society, Jinshui Cable Group has always invested a strong sense of social responsibility and actively invested in charitable causes. It has invested in disaster relief, poverty alleviation, social welfare, environmental protection, and other fields, and has won the society for a long time. Respect has achieved the harmonious development of the company and society. We are determined to contribute to the world. From the single to the pluralism, from excellent to better, Jinshui Cable has never stopped growing. Standing at a new starting point, Jinshui Cable, with excellent wisdom and vision, we are committed to building Jinshui Cable into a large-scale backbone enterprise with strong influence and strong competitiveness in the country, providing more excellent products and services to customers all over the world. Aiming at building a century-old enterprise in China and striving for a well-known brand in the industry, and strive forward.